Art and food often go hand in hand. The Cucina Lorenzo de Medici recently teamed up with the Stibbert Museum for an elaborate cooking show celebrating the same themes currently explored in the exhibition on the art of the banquet. Chefs Marco Caparelli, Enrico Sassonia, and Enzo Corallo of Cucina Lorenzo de Medici recreated the pageantry involved in the presentation of 19th century desserts. They were inspired by the theme of the Museo Stibbert's current exhibition, Conviti e Banchetti, the Art of the Banquet, which was carried out in collaboration with students in the Marist LDM Master in Museum Studies program.
Thanks to Enrico Colle, the director of the Stibbert Museum, we had the opportunity to check some documents that was property of the Stibbert family, and we found on this kind of document some ideas that could be interesting for our presentation of the dessert. So we decided to make a sort of tower cake, and we decided to make for this evening the croquembouche. That is a French dessert that was born in the 1800s in France, and is a sort of cake that consists of some choux pastry balls peeled into a cone and bound together with caramel. So I think that that's our best representation of what was the cake and dessert in the 1800s.
Guests got the chance to watch the culinary artists create an elaborate croquembouche from top to bottom, a presentation that was peppered with historical tidbits and talking points throughout. A visit to the exhibition followed.
Art and food work very good together, because the food can be represented in a plate, and you can play with the colors, with the texture, and when you have a beautiful dish, it's a good start for your eyes, and then when you start to taste, you have an amazing flavor in your mouth. You have the combination, the beautiful and the good stuff and ingredients. The idea starts from the combination of the banqueting of the 18th century and the beautiful tables they usually served during the 18th century. The people love to see the food on a big table with a lot of things, a lot of beautiful colors, and then they would like to eat a lot. Then mixing it together was like a good combination of eating and looking the table.
L'idea è nata dopo che abbiamo fatto per tutto l'inverno un grande lavoro di ricerca su quello che era l'allestimento delle tavole e della cucina durante i secoli, dal 600 fino all'800, grazie agli studenti del Lorenzo de Medici. Tutto questo è sfociato in una mostra e volevamo rendere più avvincente quello che nella mostra si vede, si può in questa serata anche gustare.